Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Savitri from All Things Beautiful, and today I'm here with a very interesting DIY or upcycle DIY. So you must all know that ceramic and cement vase is all in rage now in different colors, and they look really beautiful. They give a nice aesthetic decor sense to your home, but those are definitely expensive to buy from a store. So today I'm going to show you how to DIY a nice ceramic, it's a faux ceramic or cement vase or jars or whatever. So what I have here today is I have some plastic jars, some glass bottles, and this is plastic too, maple syrup, anything that you have. This is a bottle that I had already DIY'd, and I want to change that now. Then I have this big vase that I had already again painted a couple of years back, which I want to change. So I have all this, and we are going to give them all a nice ceramic look. So let's see how we are going to do that. So it's very simple. So what we'll be doing is I'm going to be using chalk paints and baking soda. So this is the magic product that is going to turn our glass and plastic vase or jars into a nice ceramic look. So you have to take your paint. So I'm going to be taking some, you can use normal acrylic paints as well, but I have chalk paint, so I'm using chalk paints. Chalk paints are already quite chalky, so that's good. So what I'll be doing is I will be adding some baking soda to this, and I'm going to mix it up. So this is going to give it a nice texture, which will in turn give us that faux ceramic look on our vase, and that's what we want to achieve. There is no specific ratio of your paint to baking soda, but you can experiment and try out however you want. Our idea is to get a nice chalky sandy finish, and that's how much we will be using. So if you can see, it's quite grainy here and chalky, and I'm going to use it on this vase. So if you can actually see, it has kind of a nice coverage because we've added baking soda and also a stone finish to it. So I'm going to be doing this for all my bottles and vases. I will give couple of coats until I get the desired look that I want. This is dry, so I'm going to give another coat, second coat to this. So again I'm adding my baking soda. I'm gonna add too much, so I'll keep that away. Can you see how nice the stony effect it has? That's the magic of this baking soda when added to your paint. It will look like a ceramic and stoneware. So until you get the look that you want, you can keep adding layers and creating textures. It's completely up to you, but I guess 2 or 3 coats for a glass vase should be enough for a plastic. It's beauty, and it has also taken the print or the texture of the glass, so it looks really beautiful. So I am just going to do this for a couple of jars and glass bottles and vase that I have. I'll be giving them all a couple coats. I'll do that off camera and then I will show you. So here's our completed earthenware, stoneware or ceramic ware. See how beautiful the texturing is. It's really pretty. It doesn't look like these are plastic or glass. They look so gorgeous. And look at this. I had a plastic teddy bear bottle and it's turned out so beautiful, like the actual terracotta. And I'm going to be putting some plants in this and they look gorgeous. And the big one, this is how I have painted. I've just given another color, like a gradient shading, and it looks really beautiful. So I have painted all these with baking soda. They are absolutely gorgeous. Now I'll also tell you another technique to distress them or make them look little old and rustic. What you can do is you can take some dirt or sand, or instead of this you can also use coffee powder or cinnamon powder, and you will have to just rub over them. I will do it on this. Okay, before that just wet the surface a little bit. So just wet the surface a little bit and take some sand. This is just to give it a little more distressed old earthen look. Like I said, you can use dirt or sand, you can use coffee powder, you can use cinnamon powder. So brush off the excess once it dries. See, this is the effect you will get. The reason it sticks to the surface is because, you know, it's a textured surface. So another method to give it a stoneware look is, I've taken some black paint here. I'm going to water it down. I'll add some water to this. I have added a lot of water to this. I want it runny. I don't want it very thick. And I'm going to dip my brush. Just take the excess and so hope you can see these black blotches. So that gives us the nice earthen stoneware look. Make sure there's not too much paint on the brush. So once I finish all this, I'm going to be using a varnish spray. It's a semi-gloss. So it's better if you give like either matte or semi-gloss, because we don't want shine. It needs to look like ceramic or stoneware. So I'll be spraying them with all this.